Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we'll be comparing Firefox with Opera GX. So let's get right into it. Firefox is a clean, minimalist design with a focus on simplicity and productivity. If we talk about performance, it is lightweight and optimized for fast browsing while using less RAM than Chrome. Talking about the main thing, privacy and security, it is one of the most private browsers, blocking trackers, fingerprinting, and ads by default. It supports tons of extensions and has deep customization for privacy and appearance. Now, if we compare Firefox with our friend Opera GX, it is built for gamers, featuring a customizable neon UI. As you can see on the website, it has a sidebar integration and performance controls. Talking about performance and speed, it has a RAM and CPU limiter, letting you know control how much system power the browser uses. It has a built-in VPN and ad blocker, but its privacy policies aren't as transparent as Firefox. Talking about customization, it has a gaming integrations, Twitch, Discord, Razer Chroma, a free VPN, and a GX corner for gaming news. So my final verdict will be choose Opera GX if you want a gamer-friendly experience with built-in performance tools. Choose Firefox if you want a fast, privacy-focused, and lightweight browser. With that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.